Hey folks, myself Akhil from Originality back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to humanize AI text unlimited words without any limitations that can easily bypass the best AI detection tools like originality.ai, copyleaks, GPT-0 and more. Today in this video I will show you all a step-by-step guide on how to convert AI content to human-like content and to humanize AI text online. We will be using Walter Wright's AI. First, Walter Wright's AI can convert AI content to human content in minutes that can beat any AI detector tool. Walter Wright's AI offers AI humanizer and detection in one click with free AI detector, plugin-free AI rewrites, and can humanize AI in 80 plus languages. Now let's get started to know how to use Walter Wright's AI to convert AI content to human content online. Here I have generated an article using ChatGPT. Now to humanize AI text online, here we are back on Walter Wright's AI dashboard. Now click Humanize AI Text. This opens up Walter Wright's AI Humanizer tool. Now simply paste ChatGPT generated AI content here. And then from here we can choose readability. As we are writing an article, let's make it high school. Next we can choose purpose. Selected it to be article. Thereafter we need to select AI detection bypass level. Enhanced is already selected, so let's not change it. Now to humanize AI text online, click humanize and scan. Walter Wright's AI starts to humanize AI content online and will also check for rewritten content for AI score. Here we have the result. Now it has rewritten ChatGPT generated AI content with increasing the content size from 465 to 719 words. Here it also confirms that our humanized AI content can bypass different AI detectors. Wow, that's simply insane. That's how easily we can humanize AI content using Walter Wright's AI that can bypass the best AI detection tools in 2025. Walter Wright's AI is exactly what you need, and I will highly recommend you all to try it out now. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment, or you can also search for Walter Wright's AI in Google now. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. And today I wanna show you all how to enhance low quality video to cinematic video using the best AI video enhancer tool Topaz. Today in this video I will show you all how to recover permanently deleted files from SD card